Mwakaba Mfambra Benaji so we aggressive talk on Benaji chene. The aggressive talk no e Kumasi Asante to support is ene. You know mu kasa aggressively because otete so almost say Dr. Kwamchi okan small untie in sense mpia ya omtaika and I want them to understand say okan accept Dr. Kwamchi a untie in the sense okapre bani club nim. Also, cost them correct match is the duty of every supporter of a club. So the cost them correct club. So club of match na baka correct. A supporter be a duty. To look at your Parker. Unyashi. I saw our banner in school no we SHS. Now see Antonio first what matter about SHS. And now also one amount. Subscribe to the channel. Na notification bell na so. So that be an upload over be onso benya bia hwe medin de manyum na kua kujamfi ubetimi afran Ricardo Fast se yemran sensem nim na afi yemfa nsem no embra we kumasa asam bekotoko fan na se o hwe sa video ya make sure say wo behwe video no wo hwe wi a wo be share dem onua na onua enso atima hwe bi no won say yes nsem a ese wo mo ye no me kumasa asam bekotoko club na timi ekoyie enso eni so we kumasa asam bekotoko fan we are fan of kumasa asam bekotoko na opesa wo kan asem na Dr. Kwamchi etie basa okansem na chama bi ohutie basa okansem na club no fa no mde ye adwuma de esa wo ye ne say you contribute to the club say sikasem mu say they will contribute to the club and say you and me will testify say Kumasi Asante Kotoko odo ana supporters ni show edema players no omo show edema management say enyi ho eno ti na club na say ayesa and only you bear witness with me. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko team na da wo sese no se nka nya ba bia team ni ti hye efficacy na team ni free se nka team no nka ayese to do mighty jet ayese nka 11 wise ayese wo chema planet mo team se nkete na omo hu go mo yempo no disrespect to team bia but Kumasi Asante Kotoko status no say fall form and amount for to team na se team no say enya attractive VM team na nya akono biem team na tetia pro and ade kakra ma team no eda so gina ba bi gina kakra na se wodi ni ba bi team ni tisha no na ma team na da so ye de ye na nya sa pa de anka team no enka dafuma anka all 1-9 and the supporter opasi hu say yes me Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter me kan asem kire Dr. Kwamchi obetie management bi e ba bia me kan asem twom betia no ma yese wo ye ni. First of all, support it na come home. You shouldn't be a political supporter. Political supporter and say Dr. Kwamchi aba. Me de me ho Dr. Kwamchi amenya bibi. Nti me de me ho bono do beka bia say you me support it. En fakom Dr. Kwamchi di asma ba en fakom en so Dr. Kwamchi di aba on ne ledi Kotoko no ko ade no ma menya nti me support do beka. O yes sir, wo open club no say be wo from. And I also answer you be a Dr. Kwamchi yasem ba won dey see the team national nsa de wo ye bia say you o se wo me dem mempe na asem nti be se chinchina me bonati a ne ya pam no ko no bi fofora me na asem ba o yesa won so ye mambofo o say club no uyi team e fe no Barcelona si ho a but ami odi team nanim no enye supporters team na ne pe o but say no e so am support no no team yet club ni yi na club ne club he nto mun na support no e base yam kan adwon be kom adwon akere no but obi no be bom pa ese team ni lose team ni mofom na yengase ye pam batami obi no be bo dan pa ye no ewum to ompe na asem ne but omo support ne se e base ye bobo pitch ne so aye support team no ama team na tima dinkunim na team na tima konanim e durusi akoto aba ne ya to aba ne yi na si form na nipa aye so ye pen na ba nipo omo pen ne ba omo pe batomi asem no okoye no monka se ya club no they will still support the person but the ba omo come adwan akere no Frontino Perez amount from pen asem o Real Bobo Kunim nanso they support him oya ade na ya omo ka omo pen asem na ka oya ade na se nya omo pen asem to ka enu ntina won se Ronaldo bobo e wo ye Santiago Bernabeu na amount huru no because nso wa amount performance omo pe but no asan bobo na ekoyi a they will praise him. That's a duty of a good and a quality of a good supporter. Support your team in times of need. The Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans, but some person still relevant. Mon come humbom. Matie Chepsa audio bi. Chepsa says on bobo wie. Then time on bobo wie. na omo call dressing room enkanga so omo win na nyoma circles na hodo ne be brom se circle 51 o circle den circle 62 be brom kika bom na se omo che na se ono chips ani na de a ete said de wakọ eye supermarket akodi dwa na oba fie buzawo se sa nyoma na sen ne sitie first akumasi asa no ko fan betima tiasi montin so ko to ade ne de ache no onam krom ne amafo chines kan buzawo se ewon because odona ye oma club na yama politics ahuro emu asuma si dem mpeno nti no be bia nyame fe nti se club me ko ze nkoye o nyama sem no you have been a political supporter and that is not helping Kumasi as and kotoko enu na enu adidi mu agu Kumasi as and kotoko ba omunim we ba me penasem nti no be bia ye we ba me penasem to be bia anye enu na egu Kumasi as and kotoko bobu kun sesei nti se mo pesa mo kan na supporters mo kan na management tie obi o ho bia tie a ese mo kam ho bom na mo ye one na mo chana one course you people want the progress of Kumasi as and kotoko ene mo main duty so mo pe Kumasi as and kotoko club ni ye nti mo push the agenda of Kumasi as and kotoko Kumasi as and kotoko bobu kon tumpo mamo you can put list ko jina ba biro ka se me Kumasi as and kotoko fan ye na 2020 ye je CAF Champions League no ni agina wo kan ho ho yes sa na support aye 2012 Kumasi as Chelsea bobu ko no omura mfida supporters no kuti 2012 ye na ko ba ya mini ko share ba ya mini ka yetime je trophy from some no proud moment of the team you feel part of not do benya free club no honko na wo supporter na wo pe amanfo ka say costed them ko games e you duty as a supporter say wo be costed no ka ko games enti no ya wonya hwe no wonya hwe enti after some ka supporters and some still relevant mon kam ho mom no my second point na say we should know the number of people that support Kumasi as and kotoko Kumasi as and kotoko supporters yes saying tick yeah taste Kumasi as and kotoko supporters only 8 million only 8 million me taste as na busa mo say enti sin say kind supporters no only 8 million no ebi nwom firi mu ebi foforo so my wasem ye kotoko ni enti da so gina 8 million no supporters leaders no. This is my advice to you. After someone come home boom, na mo circles no mama na effective. Say the first na sitie, mo to tunu money ye no. Say na sitie, say it me meeting crowd WhatsApp so. In TBA circle 51, ya to WhatsApp group. We make sure say be meet 3 o'clock PM in na 3 o'clock no. The jina online ye discussing the progress of Kumasi as and kotoko. Na no ma enso tima koyi e de ama team no. So what you here. And the second point na say you people should count the number of supporters of Kumasi as and kotoko. There was supporter bia or no master them that. So baba hebo. But to cast on contribute to the club or contribute to the club. Na club na tima tumpon. And mo kind the supporters of Kumasi as and kotoko na afima hu de wi a motivate to nyoma na ma hu de wi a no man so siko. Nti de be ya metima kind to kotoko supporters no. Say ni sitie. Money MTN e ejuma MTN sponsor Kumasi as and kotoko. Enti eno an say e bia money MTN for akọ no makoka say omoma mo short code bi mo de be ya adwuma and short code ndem de be ne say mu beteki Kumasi as and kotoko supporters mo be kan wo mo enti mo be kan wo mo mu hia short code mo ntimi nko obi afie 1 2 3 mo kan wo enti otu fie no wafa wo MTN na phone no na wa test e bia medin e de Benjamin Akua Jamfi mete so menya me ya adwuma ewo Benak GH madi 85 years no test ko short code no mo test ko sa we kotoko fana na mo test e bia 3 months asiwo ya de kan Kumasi as and kotoko supporters to file phone no text na de ko dem kan ya o details no test we be ati udin we be ati adwuma o ye mfia wo na de ko no text na de ko no test na de ko and we mo hu the number of supporters of Kumasi as and kotoko wo nti sa wo kan asema nim say ukru are the correct info and I would can asem no nti betima akọ no akọgye deal say deal ya me GD me kọgye asoma si deal we for supporters no ti ma kind supporters ni na wie no obi timi te Ghana ha me yitu kwaku ahenkra oye kotokoni me yiji wono as example otimi di ni birthday na ni birthday no Liverpool has send a message from UK English abontin so no ma send message through the email and am because wono oye counted member of Kumasi of Liverpool ya kind na Liverpool supporters on to what I sent to a register so a Liverpool fan and no busa kwa enko be ka kire mo Liverpool fan no what Ghana na register no bosumi bia na say year bia bi ho a the belly annually ntie bia bosumi bia sika betwa na dia bom bia na bia na watwa ya tie free bia say u PayPal mo say u Visa then you online ya tie free u busa na obeka kire wo wow you supporter for every club bia also ye foreign clubs no we ye supporter no utia dues ma club no busa say Kumasi Asante Kotoko dues be na wo as a supporter utia what wa ko stadium akọ match no nti watua dues eno every supporters duty nti nya hwe mfa ma club no ade ese wo ye ma club no so anu nti wa ya wo nya hwe nti wo kan asaba otakwa mti wo ntie because ni sika na ye nti wa kan supporters no do Christopher de Menya anakwa am dankwa oben sekere ma bomudin because Chris ona aye chairman o vice chairman no na second vice chairman so na oben sekere nti mo miensa na minimo kasai mo kind supporters ni we are after 3 months mo years we mo kind supporters na we no say supporters that Kumasi Asante Kotoko say ye wono your supporters 240,000 supporters na Kumasi Asante Kotoko wo fantastic na fei aba Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters I say ya count mo no obia no register mobile money obia register mobile money e bia register mobile money na afi hu say yes we Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter bosumi bia obi etua dues for Kumasi Asante Kotoko and dues no it could be say bia ese bosumi no Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter bia tia sika bi fa ko account bi na bia mo de account number bia tudwa utua sika na e kwa reference no no atwere Asante Kotoko supporter Asante Kotoko supporter Asante Kotoko supporter reference number no and as a reference no Asante Kotoko supporter Asante Kotoko supporter say no so niwa ubetima use say month bia na MTN for na nkasa 5 cedis from obi account due to Uchama club no 5 cedis near every account 5 cedis near every account and when the going gets tough and can say Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo match NCC match krata akoma mpanimfo say o mama konya na munye yibi man and can ya free na kan be yibi masem bia because supporters net 5 cedis month bia scan da ho scano mbetim da yesa bosumi bia so a say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye players need na etu omuka 200,000 Ghana cedis which is 2 billion to scanner ye Kotoko isipie gum eye bia 100,000 Ghana cedis which is 1 billion na mo de management mo fan twa players ne ka na wo ye sure say wo chairman na wa ba o run Kotoko o tua players ne ka 2 billion o man 1 billion so won fan twa ka no fan 1 billion ka ho a o take decision on factor o decision o be forward there no dia ka ho dia take decision no because nim say o boa club no and kada go dachi project yes supporters ye wosika 1 billion ye they supported the cause of Ajakodachi project Kotoko supporters ma support e better na wo kan ase manipa na wo ne kan ase no ntie you are part of him when they take decision to offer the culture. If you want to stay relevant, these are some of the things Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters you should do. And I'm the thread laid down point tamamon. First of all, mon kambum mamon political supporters. We buy a pen. 2, you people should go into contact with MTN. Now I'm no mama short code be. Also you Kumasi Asante Kotoko fana. Yeah, the 3 months as you test it, udin or juma o ye, age and never be out to a short code. na ma test ko sa 3 months na mo da kan Kotoko supporters no say yes Kotoko supporters ye do say third point ni ye say ye tua di ujama Kumasi Asante Kotoko bosumi bia supporter bi tua 5 cedis it's either say ye di number bi ba beto month bia na supporter wa tua atum 5 cedis o reference no na da ye Kotoko supporter o reference na da ye Kotoko supporter na da ye Kotoko supporter nya sa so a month ne so a na MTN for no at 5 cedis the free account ni MTN for no month so no at 5 cedis the free account ni sa na ye kama obetimi ni network ni na so go into agreement because e bia we Kotoko fan o use MTN but say network ni na obi a wo ne cash me bo obi a cash di but we no obi a wo ne cash network ni na and they say grant me sense na across sika continent network bia so dem found network are using you know say the MTN number 2 because MTN na sponsors number 2 number must send sika na to bo so me so a no takwa mche players we Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne tuo mo ka bo so me bia o en kaska ni na boma any players no any technical team ni bia boma 200,000 Ghana cedis which is 2 billion supporters say the 1 billion aba for be kan never supporters ne ka for tua players ne ka we ye so kan asem china wontie o ka asem china obetie nya se Kumasi Asante Kotoko fan o se wo hwe Dr. Kwamche say o ma na to player ma team no da bi na me ye mfanto ma won say Kwakwa and cry Liverpool fan ne birthday o mutimi send message de mano minimo bi he is my brother from another mother Marco ma ne birthday Liverpool send a message because he tried to use my club no he is a counted member of Liverpool Kwakwa and crack on obuza no be catch you supporters no support clubs or Europe no ne birthday sending a message. People are there working. I'm for year Juma. They are glued to their task. Come on, year Juma. You know, if you know Juma, see a fever will be hunty. Come on, year Juma. So, if the supporters, Christopher de Minya, and I call me Dankwa, or being such a person still relevant, and yes, I'm more truck crata. Eddie Aquacoma, his Anna say, or Mamma Quana Unibima. More dues will hank at the be a month to be a mutia dues. Bosumi asemi buy $240,000 mo say Kotoko ye kekan ho bom no enya $150,000 supporters ye de aba enya fi na be tire krata aba o ye de aba $150,000 ye de aba mo fa bi nkan na fanko tua kan mo betima ye because ye fan Kotoko 20,000 Ghana cedis no mo timi tiji bomu enya ye 15,000 Ghana cedis ene ya kire dia ene mo betima ye intimunti. First of all, mon kamom ni MTN phone call into contact na mon pe short code bi na mon fa count the supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko because 8 million dada no e bi awu afim e bi nso asan aba mu a o Kumasi Asante Kotoko for o ma be join club the new na afi mu bia mon fa dues in tat na mon dues nso a mo gigi no mo make sure say mo make account na bia annually here bia Kotoko fans mo hia ba bi ba ko se baba yara na mu na mabɔ adim my account here ni na mo expenditure tika mo da ho my yard na mo fe biti akira na konto so support Kumasi Asante Kotoko enye de amoye de da bia asa mo ne obi won tokwa da bia management gina ba bi na mo gina ba bi da team na be na yi tu ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter eduru si yibia ma club na yibima yense de bia na Kotoko yibima da bisa yibima na cham tetemre era e wumi mu dues ma support the dues between you 5 Ghana asamba ye wo se ma yiska na me command team no mo fanko tuaka ni afi na be tro krata so wo se ma tro krata e de akoma ye Dr. Kwamche se o ma yibima o ma yibima bazan why you ready and kafaska na bra wa ba wa present check am o $150,000 mo fa nteso na mo fa nkotua mo fa bi nka na fa nkotua na wo kan asem che na wontie mo se mbese mo to Latifa na Bila mo hu se mo coach ne pe no de bia management intimate to mo si akoto player na ba enya afi na so ba be yi ska o ko top player no ba se coach ne pe ne dia wo ni coach akasa coach si wo pe no but mo management sika asem ni ho to ko top player na ba ene kan za wo ye supporter nyenza wo supporter na ko hebo ntidan supporter bia ko hebo ese wa wo banado ba ku school na say ye ntono mo fro sa do ba ku school onye hwe wo no kam na mehwe ne ma debi So Kotoko, this is your talk. Aggressive talk on Kotoko supporters. Must stay relevant. Stay relevant. And must stay relevant. Mon kambum. Supporters leaders. Mon kambum. Na mon MTM for Kasana mon kind supporters no. Na if mon cheer you in former club no. The honey because I'm relevant. More can't sama. It's another takwamte. Obeti. Nye dia mo ye. Subscribe to the channel. Now notification bell. Instead of be upload be a. Once we meet again, we say bye.